Hi there everyone, whether you're new or a part of my YouTube family, a very good welcome to you. Please remember, God will never leave you nor forsake you. So if you guys haven't seen the first video regarding this hair, it is the Janet collections from the Janet collection, and the pack looks like this. And correction, it is 86 inches long. I think I said 83, but it's 86. Sorry about that. And when the hair comes out of the packet, this is what it looks like. Way longer than this. This is from cutting the hair in half. I feather it and all that lovely stuff. Again, if you guys want to see the video of the installation, I will leave it in the cards up here. So if you guys want to click on that and check it out, I would really appreciate it. And please remember, hit that subscribe button while you're at it, okay? It's my second week with this hair in. I have not straightened the hair. This is it in its natural form. So what I wanted to test out today is to see if I can curl this hair. And I got this curler, and it goes up pretty high. It goes up to like 30, which I'm guessing maybe about in the, I don't know how high 30 is, but yeah. I got this actually at the thrift store, right? For about like $3. And I was like, yes, please, thank you. Yeah, so that is what I will do. And this is just to test it. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I put it on one. Whatever one is. It's pretty warm. And I don't want to keep it in too long because it actually curled it. It totally curled it. Like it gave it those little see that? It totally did. And I'm going to try it, see if I can straighten it. Huh. And I have this on very low, so that's possibly why. Kind of takes a couple. Huh. Yeah, it went right back. It went right back. I'm just gonna run the straightener through it. Ran the straightener. guys see that? There's a complete difference. This is a bit more, it's like, this is bone straight. And this, see that? It's a complete difference. Yeah. So parts of it is straightened. I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks, to me, it looks more bone straight. So it actually made a difference. So I think that's what I'm going to do with the bottom as well. So here's what it looks like before. Before the straightener. Made a difference. Totally did. Guys, there you have it. Totally can apply heat to this hair. It actually makes it a bit more bone straight and it makes it a little bit more shiny. I totally like that. Like, it still looks wearable after 2 weeks. Yeah, I totally think it does. Oh yeah, and by the way, for my braid-in pattern, I have a few going all the way back. Well, ideally they're all going back, but I have like 3 going on a slant and on a slant, and then they're all back. So I braid like that, braid it back, and then I caught up the bottom into one big braid, and then I just used the crochet hook. I use a crochet hook and I just crocheted the end of the braid into the other braids to close that off. So for this hair I used a pack and a half, but as I had suggested, you can get away with using just 1 pack because the hair is pretty long, and depending on how short you want it, you can always cut it and then feather it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope that you will stay tuned for my next video. God willing. Bye for now and God bless. Bye.